So by default, if you long press on the power button of your iPad, it brings up Siri, and now you have to speak your commands to Siri. So you can see it listening to what I'm saying, trying to get the command. Now, if you don't want to talk to Siri, you can actually use Siri without talking or without speaking to it on your iPad. All you have to do is enable a feature called Type to Siri. So if you go into settings and then under settings, go to accessibility, and then under accessibility, scroll down to Siri and tap on it. Then you can see there's an option here called Type to Siri. And all you have to do is enable that option. And with that option enabled, now you don't have to say anything to Siri. All you have to do is long press on that button. It's going to bring this up, and then you can type your commands to Siri. For instance, I can type turn off Wi-Fi and then tap on done. And you can see, okay, Wi-Fi is now off. It means Siri has turned off Wi-Fi. So basically it takes your commands and your requests using text instead of speaking to Siri. So that's basically how you can use Siri without speaking on your iPad. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.